How to edit video in Instagram without posting. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can edit a video in Instagram without having to post it. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you've done that, you will see the plus icon on the bottom. So just tap on it. So now after you're on the edit panel of after you choose a video, what you'll need to do is tap on next to start editing it. So now before you start editing it, head over to your control panel and turn off your Wi-Fi. After you turn off your Wi-Fi, you will be able to edit the video. Just edit the video like however you want. So I'll just try to trim this video down. Now if you want to change your voice settings, your silences, voice effects, you can do that while you're on your Wi-Fi, but after you've done editing, simply remove your Wi-Fi and then tap on next. Now you will see this option right here. Tap on share and tap on always share now or not now. It's completely up to you. So after you do this, it will start uploading your video, but since you do not have the Wi-Fi, it will not finish your post. So what will happen is that you will get the video saved on your photos, and it's basically that simple. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.